What if I told you Apple is about to change your living room forever? What if the biggest upgrade to home entertainment is just months away, and the device that makes it happen costs less than you think? Today we're diving deep into the Apple TV 4K, 4th generation. This isn't a minor refresh. This is a game changer, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why it matters, how it transforms streaming and gaming, and why it could become the default box under your TV. Let's set the stage. The streaming market is crowded. Amazon Fire TV, Google TV, Roku, and countless built-in smart TV platforms promise convenience for cheap. So why pay for an Apple TV? For years, the answer was premium, but premium isn't enough anymore. People want value, features, speed, reliability, and a system that actually works together. With the Apple TV 4K, 4th Gen, Apple is finally giving you all of that at a price that might surprise you. Here's the headline. Apple is gearing up to deliver the most powerful streaming box ever made. Early next year, the Apple TV 4K, 4th Gen, is expected to arrive with Apple's A17 Pro chip, the same silicon that powers console-class games on iPhone. 15 Pro, built on a 3nm process. A17 Pro brings a massive leap in graphics performance, an advanced neural engine for on-device AI, and superb efficiency that keeps heat and power draw low. Translation: instant app launches. ULTR, a smooth UI, cinematic gaming, smarter recommendations, and rock-solid performance that doesn't choke when you open 5 apps in a row. You might be thinking, do I need that much power for Netflix? Here's the shift. Apple isn't just thinking about streaming anymore. They're turning your TV into a legitimate gaming machine and an AI smarter home hub. Let's talk gaming, real gaming. For years, Apple Arcade delivered casual fun, but nobody bought an Apple TV just to play. That changes now. With A17 Pro's desktop-class GPU and hardware ray tracing, Apple TV 4K, 4th Gen, is primed for titles, the same franchises you expect on PlayStation and Xbox. We've already seen Resident Evil Village, Resident Evil 4, Death Stranding, and Assassin's Creed Mirage arrive on Apple Silicon. Now imagine playing those on your TV with a DualSense or Xbox controller. No console required. Fast loading, fluid frame rates, rich visuals powered by a tiny box beneath your TV. And thanks to Apple's tight hardware-software integration, you get low latency input, consistent performance, and easy pairing with the controllers you already own. But gaming is just one piece. The other is Apple Intelligence in your living room. The A17 Pro's neural engine unlocks smarter, faster, on-device AI that actually enhances how you watch and control content. Siri that understands what you mean. Find a feel-good comedy we'll all like. Show me new sci-fi in 4K Dolby Vision. Resume the thriller we started last Saturday. Voice recognition can tailor recommendations to each person in the home. Truly personal curation. The system learns what you watch, when you watch, and even what you skip, serving up spot-on recommendations that feel curated, not advertised. Accessibility that's powerful and invisible. More natural captioning, smarter audio descriptions, clearer dialogue enhancement, and adaptive interfaces that adjust to your needs. A smarter smart home. Apple TV already acts as a home hub for HomeKit and Matter. With better on-device intelligence, it can dim lights when movie night starts, tweak thermostat settings when you doze off, and create scenes without you lifting a finger. Connectivity is getting a serious upgrade too. Apple is developing an in-house Wi-Fi and Bluetooth chip to replace third-party components, and the 4th Gen Apple TV is expected to feature it. Why does that matter? Because Apple designed silicon means lower latency, stronger range, and better reliability. More stable streaming with fewer drops and less buffering, even when your home network is busy. Snappier AirPlay mirroring and casting from iPhone, iPad, And Mac. Rocks solid Bluetooth for controllers and AirPods with ultra-low latency. So gameplay and audio stay perfectly in sync. Seamless pairing across the ecosystem. AirPods Auto Connect. And your devices just work together. Now, the wild card, price. Historically, Apple TV has been premium priced. But rumors point to a strategic price drop that brings Apple TV into direct competition with Amazon and Google. If Apple goes aggressive on price, and they combine that with the A17 Pro custom connectivity and deep ecosystem perks, this becomes the obvious choice for anyone who cares about quality and longevity. The box pays for itself in the daily experience. Let's quickly stack Apple TV against the competition. Amazon Fire TV, cheap, but cluttered with ads and upsells that push Amazon content. The UI gets in your way. Google TV, better curation, but it prioritizes Google's ecosystem. If you're in Apple's world, it never feels truly connected. ROKU, simple and platform agnostic but basic. Fewer premium features, limited performance headroom, and a generic feel. Apple TV 4K is different. If you own an iPhone, the experience is almost magical. Use your iPhone as a remote. AirPlay photos, videos, and your entire screen instantly. FaceTime on your TV via continuity camera. SharePlay watch parties that sync everyone's playback. Personal profiles, iCloud photos as stunning screensavers, Apple Fitness Plus on the big screen, and more. With the 4th generation, that advantage widens. Faster UI, zero friction connectivity, smarter AI, and serious gaming. Now, imagine the day-to-day experience. You sit down after work and your Apple TV 4K, 4th gen, greets you with exactly what you want to watch. No ads. No clutter, just personalized pics. You ask Siri for a family-friendly adventure in 4K, and you're streaming in seconds. Your friend calls on FaceTime. The call pops up on the TV using continuity camera from your iPhone. You hop into a game, pick up your controller, and within moments you're playing a true AA title fluid, sharp, immersive, without buying a separate console. Later that night, Apple Intelligence dims your smart lights and switches your sound profile for a late-night movie, all without you touching a setting. Audio and video fidelity? Apple TV still sets the standard. 4K HDR with Dolby Vision and HDR 10 Plus for vibrant, accurate picture quality, Dolby Atmos for room filling, 3-dimensional sound, whether through a soundbar, receiver, or pair HomePods, spatial audio with AirPods Pro and AirPods Max for late night. Theater-like immersion now, with more accurate head tracking powered by A17 Pro. eARC support for routing TV audio to HomePods. Plus refined audio processing for clearer dialogue and punchier effects. Design and usability matter too. Expect the iconic compact box with improved thermals for the powerful chip and a refined Siri remote experience. The current remote is already a huge step up, but a Find My-enabled remote, better battery life, and even tighter haptic feedback will make everyday navigation frictionless. On the software side, tvOS keeps evolving, and A17 Pro gives developers headroom to build more ambitious apps, instant app launches, and faster switching between apps and games, more capable picture-in-picture for sports, security cams, or browsing while you watch, smarter multi-user support with voice recognition for truly personal recommendations, deeper Apple Arcade titles that take full advantage of the GPU, Metal, and the Neural Engine.